no better to chase a dream beyond the country mile. The only stars we see are above you and me. You know you're chained to this town day and night. Can't see the stains on the blood-red sweat. Through a punch and lost a fight. We always swore that we leave here together. Faith in the fields that morning night. And them good boys, white knuckles, they broken my bones. And I know they won't make it out of here alive. I'll be the pills, oh the whiskey, my mother's land is cursed. All they sell here is drugs, Jesus and fireworks. I seen them big grip in the bottle, little tighter now. It's my only escape up out of here. Never was part of the leaving town, go to college crowd. I guess I got used to living in fear. Little boys, white knuckles, they're broken my bones. And I know they won't make it out of here alive. They'll beat the pills, oh the whiskey, my mother's land is good. All they sell here is drugs, Jesus and fireworks. And them good boys, white knuckles, they're broken my bones. And I know they won't make it out of here alive. They'll beat the pills, oh the whiskey, my mother's land is cursed. All they sell here is drugs, Jesus and fireworks. Oh, all they sell here is drugs, Jesus and fireworks. Oh, all they sell here is drugs, Jesus and fireworks. Thank you again, guys, so much. This means the world to us. You guys let in your ears and eyes, man. Thank you again. I'm Zachary, Scott Kline, Alex Sherman, Hayden Helms, Ty Swall, Lucas Aldridge, and Jake Bloomfeld? Bloomberg. Jake Bloomberg on the keys. Thanks again, Warren.
Yo, that's how we like to do it on a Monday night here at Whiskey Jam. Thank you, Zachary Scott Kline, for bringing out the big band. Like I was saying before, if it was all big bands, you might get fatigued. So we're gonna change it up a little bit. We got Jeff.